So this morning I just wanted to show you how we can build a really cheap garden bed. Here's our existing garden beds. Now the issue of these is they're a little bit low, and when you're weeding you quite often get a bit of a sore back. So what I've made is these walk up height garden beds, and we're using a Hügelkultur method with this. So instead of like spending loads and loads of money filling this area up with expensive topsoil and compost and garden mix, we're going to put loads of old rotting logs, probably some shredded paper, cardboard, leaves, compost material in here, and then we'll probably put maybe a foot of good compost and growing soil on the top. So you don't have to spend a fortune. You can see that this was all quite nice roofing steel, but here we've got lots of offcuts, some old pieces, some old posts that managed to scavenge and cut up, and this is absolutely solid. It's not going anywhere. And a common problem people talk about when making beds like this is that sometimes you get the bulge down the bottom, but we haven't really experienced that too much. As you can see, there's not much of a bulge, and all that is 4 posts. This bed is just settling at the moment, so as the stuff rots down and it finds its way into all the little cracks and crevices, it will start to sink down. So we'll keep adding some nice compost to this as we go. Got my compost bins pretty close, so it's nice and easy. If you've got any questions about this method, the Hügelkultur method, I know there's lots of videos out there already, but we find this quite a good way to do it. So if you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below. Give this a little thumbs up if you like this video. It's pretty simple construction. It's just 4 posts in the ground, a bit of roofing steel and some roofing screws, and that's it. So you don't have to spend a fortune. You can do this for free. So this is step 1 of the process, and we've filled the garden bed with heaps and heaps of dead wood and a little bit of some offcuts of stuff which had fallen down in a big storm we had a few weeks ago. And from here what we'll do is we'll add loads and loads of shredded paper just to help fill the gaps. I'll probably add some cardboard, and then start just chucking any kind of garden waste. When we get up to about this level and it's really nice and full, we'll think about adding some compost from our compost bins, and then after that maybe some garden mix on top and some topsoil from our property. So it's a real simple concept, and the Hügelkultur method, which basically means like building a hill or a mound, is really simple, and it's a great way to get rid of garden waste.